Hey there, my name is Nicholas. This is my wife Melanie. We had a friend refer us to Dr. Batchelor, and I can honestly say our lives have not been the same since. We came to him while my wife was pregnant. She had a lot of back pain, a lot of problems, and it just made everything easier, made the process so much easier. I know I had back pain as well, and it's just been so much more comfortable and relaxing. Quality of life has been better, and since we had this little guy, even he was having problems, and Dr. Batchelor was able to help him. And honestly, I've never been to a chiropractor that gave us more time and attention and just showed us love and support. Every time we come in here, it feels like family. It's super comfortable environment and super peaceful, and we just love being a part of this place, and are super blessed and thankful that we've had Dr. Batchelor to be able to come to, and life just hasn't been easier for us.
Yes, we highly recommend Dr. Batchelor, and we just love coming here. It feels so peaceful in his office, and we're just really grateful for his help.